Well, it's March 14th, 2012, and welcome back to Blue Collar. Well, I wonder what Blue Collar's got going on today. We're about to jump in this here rollback and go for a ride. We got something to go tow. I ain't gonna tell you right now what it is. You guys will see it. Well, we've been in here. Truck's been sitting for about 2 or 3 weeks. Ain't had no reason to use it. Might as well go ahead and do a cold start on it. Ain't much of a cold start because it's warm outside. Glow plug light went off. It's a 1995 F350. 204,000 miles on it. Real good oil pressure. 3/4 tank of fuel. AC even works in this thing. Ashtray is full too. Of course the AC works. Ain't nobody right mind want to go tow a vehicle when it's hot out. So, well, let's get started and head down to where we gotta go. We gotta pick something up. So, you guys will see it. Well, here we are on the road headed down. Had to stop because of breakfast. So, we'll catch up when we all get there. My God, look what Blue Collar had to tow today. 1971 Firebird drag strip car. We're gonna do alignment on it. Try to. We'll get them off. Get her off. I ain't ever heard it running yet. Guy's supposed to come up here this afternoon. So. Well, now that we got it off the truck, on the alignment machine, we're gonna attempt to line it. But only after I go get something to eat for lunch.